Welcome to this course in Basic English. We are going to describe what we have to offer to you in this course and how this course is organized and aimed at helping you. Before that, congratulations on getting in the top ranking institute in the country, that is IIT Madras. My name is Rajesh Kumar. I teach linguistics in the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences at IIT Madras. My training is in understanding structure of language, and I like to work on underlying processes, that is, the processes underlying sentence structure and its application for teaching, that is, learning of language. Throughout this course, I'll be meeting with you along with my colleagues who will be helping me this course at various levels with various different aspects and will help you deal with the challenges in learning English. One of the clear goals of this course is to help you achieve communicative confidence. That is, we will help you learn English, that is, speak English with confidence and fluency. We will work on these two through accuracy. There are three terms where we need your attention. They are accuracy, fluency, and confidence. In that order, when we achieve accuracy, it leads us to fluency, and it is a combination of the two, that is, accuracy and fluency, which gives us confidence, and in turn, that constructs communicative confidence in us through which we communicate effectively with others. We will work on achieving this goal with you. English is undoubtedly one of the most widely spoken languages across the world. This world speaks a lot of languages. We speak a lot of languages in India, but we still know that the language that we use to communicate with others, that is, those who do not speak our languages, happens to be English. Therefore, our proficiency in English is sort of a medium for interacting with others in the world. Interacting with others, those who do not speak our languages. A lot of people speak English in different ways throughout the world. However, important part is to achieve confidence in accuracy and fluency. People speak English differently. We speak English differently in India, and we will work on the aspects which makes the English our English, and we will also talk about how it is different from others and if there is a way to improve our own English, whether it works or not. We will help you build your own confidence in the way you speak English. We also know that it is important to communicate effectively with others for success in all domains of our lives. We will work on these different domains through different methods and different aspects of English learning, that is, speaking, writing, reading, just to name a few. And we will build the confidence which will lead you to success, where you will be organized to your own thoughts, you will be able to understand the underlying patterns of the language, and you will develop the skill to apply them, the skills that we derive from how language gets computed in the subconscious of human mind, how cognitive computation works in human mind, and how we translate them when we learn a new language, namely English, as an adult. We will work on these aspects to build effective communication for you, for your success. The way we speak a language, the way we speak English, and the way we communicate with others in a normal and natural situation is called multilingual method. We will use this method in the background to help you. This is the method which helps you build not just the structure but the confidence, which is the most required tool for learning any new language. We will work on things that will help you develop cognitive flexibility that you gain through this language and how such flexibility helps you achieve success in speaking, writing and reading English. We will work with you on all these aspects for learning English. We will bring different aspects of English language for you for making your journey effective. Join us in this course. We look forward to your comments, your suggestions, and above all, your cooperation in helping you with different aspects of learning English. Looking forward to an effective communication with you. Thank you.